welcome to our life in the Philippines. So what is it today? Day 6 or 7 of the quarantine?
Yes.
Something like that. And
every single day that goes by, it's becoming stricter and stricter.
right, that is true. We just heard today. That there is a city ordinance or city, the local government. They are extending the quarantine, or what do you call it?
The enhanced quarantine.
The enhanced quarantine to be from noon every day till 5 a.m. the following morning. Nobody basically can leave the house, from what I understand. And we're just going to go because we want to get some more water and some other things. So we're going to go up to the store and grab some water. So this be one of the final walks here. For how long we don't know. Probably, they said probably 30 days or even more. But that's where we're at today. So let's take a little walk and see what happens. Masks are mandatory. You had you were out walking the other day, right?
Yes, if I didn't wear a mask, they were going to charge me 100 peso fine.
100 peso fine if no mask. And they offered to sell it too?
They told me where to go buy it.
Oh,
and
okay.
I went and bought it.
So
I guess, you know, they sell it to the Filipinos for 50 peso. It cost me 100, so.
All right.
It's
So
a reference, I guess, somebody is getting paid off.
It's double price for foreigners.
For foreigners.
Yeah. But look at this, guys. It's about what, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock?
On Sunday, normally this place is packed. The bus station.
It's packed. Yeah.
It's a ghost town.
It's a ghost town. The street is full of cars coming in off the highway, and
This road normally on a Sunday is a long line of buses.
and I don't know what they're doing here, but they look like they're still open. It looks like they're still open here. I guess they're closed. They were open earlier?
Yeah, they shut them down, I guess.
Yeah. Yeah, I was wondering about that because they were open yesterday and no restaurants allowed, from what I understand. And we have the guys on the other side of the street still selling Christmas lights. I heard they are putting up Christmas lights in the United States now.
Yeah, to celebrate I guess I don't know.
It's a sign of hope, they say. So
It's a ploy to sell more electricity.
yeah. Yeah, so we are just walking, but look at the streets, guys. It's here you normally cannot move at this time of the day. So it's pretty amazing.
The dogs and the cats are not in quarantine, so they're roaming free.
They're roaming free. Uninterrupted too.
Yes.
Look at the gas prices, they've gone down further, I think.
Oh yeah. Look
The
at that.
V-Power 95 or 97 is 39 pesos. It was 47, 48 pesos just a few days ago. So,
Sorry, Russia. Sorry, Saudi Arabia.
yeah.
Yeah.
And the United States don't need their oil anymore.
Wait till they develop the new batteries that'll make cars, electric cars, instead of going 300 miles, 3,000 miles.
Yeah, or maybe even more.
Or even more. And so gasoline will be something.
Yeah.
It'll become a fossil once again.
Yeah. All right, so here's the bus station. No buses, all blocked off.
Yeah, I chose the wrong time to break up with my girlfriend.
Wrong time?
Yeah.
Why?
So all this
Yeah,
time
now
on
you
my
can't.
hands, I just put nothing to do.
Hey there. Hey there, guys. There we go. Selling fish.
Anyway.
All right, so City Mall is still open for the grocery store on the other side, right? Plus the pharmacy.
Yeah, the grocery store and the pharmacy are open, but right now it's closed.
Yeah, well, that's. I think now. No, I think now they're closed at 5 o'clock, 5 p.m. every day. Normally, you know, I'm thinking about the economic consequences of this around the world. It's incredible.
Well, if somebody wanted to destroy the financial system, hey, this is a pretty easy way to do it, especially if all the countries around the world
Yeah.
are doing the same thing.
Yeah.
Then you charge China because they're responsible.
Yeah. Well, that be remain to seen if they're gonna pay up.
Oh well, I guess they can't say no to the rest of the world.
Yeah.
All against one.
All against one. Yeah, it's terrible. It's closed here too. This is where we go and buy our tech gadgets in here. It's like a little strip mall, or
Yeah,
whatever
yeah.
you want to call it. Dunkin' Donuts is closed. I can't get my donuts. McDonald's closed. It looks
The
like
drive-through was open,
the drive-through is open.
but it looks like it's closed right now.
Yeah. Yeah, it does.
Oh well.
All right, so we have arrived at 7-Eleven, and that's where we're gonna get our water, I think. Buying the alkaline water, drinking
Yeah,
water.
the alkaline drinking water.
Yeah. Come on in.
You're still okay?
Yes, 29.
Oh, yeah, you're cold.
Hey, how cold is it in there? 20?
29.
29?
Yeah.
In here? Oh. Oh. Oh, you have a tip. Check me. Can you get through there?
33.
That's low. 33. 33, yeah, well, maybe on the surface because the cold sweat.
They checked my temperature earlier and it said 28. Oh, I'm a reptilian, I guess.
Yeah, reptile. 28 degrees. Yeah, but barangays now, maybe 8 p.m. to close the store, but the barangays now, tomorrow, from 12 a.m. till 5 a.m. next morning, only one person can go out at a time, either him or me. And we get an ID, so one person.
His wife
From
or-
quarantine pass?
Yeah, they're coming by with passes tomorrow. Yeah.
Isang pag-isa lang. No, it's like here. I have a work. I don't have quarantine pass.
Yeah, well,
If
you
have a work and you have
Yeah, but I have an ID and they have a certificate of employment.
yeah, that's good, and that's good enough. That's good enough.
We're not. You're
It's crazy though, isn't it? Very crazy.
That's a nice idea. I like the
Yeah.
perk.
Yep.
Our boss put this on.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. The little plastic.
Every hour we put a disinfect
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alcohol. Do you have any alcohol in the store?
out of stock, sir.
Yeah, everywhere. Nobody has.
Yeah.
Alcohol.
Alcohol is a. If you have.
alcohol, it's out there.
Yeah, on the shelf. Yeah, but that's
Bye.
that's for internal use.
Yes. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
I love cold water.
Put the mask on. I fine you if you don't. I give you a fine.
Nowadays, your pants can fall off with your mask on.
Yeah. Yeah. Look how dark it is around Gendra, man. Crazy. Yeah, and the store up here is closed at this point. It is interesting. Very little light. It's a little area actually to see those guys. It's something I have never experienced in my lifetime. Even though I went through the swine flu and a few other things, this I have never experienced in my entire life. And it is very, very eerie. So we're going to walk up this way and see what's going on. Huh?
Within 3-minute walking distance, there's 2 Jollibees and 2 7-Elevens.
Within a few
Within a 3-minute walk.
yeah, 3 7-Eleven and 2 Jollibees.
Or maybe within a 5-minute walk to McDonald's as well.
Right.
It makes no sense.
Now we're walking. We're walking today. Yeah, the trike guys. He's asking if we want trike, and they're not supposed to transport people at all.
I know.
Huh?
I know, but what's happening here is people are starving.
Starving.
Watch the criminality, and I bet you anything that the reason they're doing that, the reason they're extending the quarantine isn't so much for the spread of the disease, but the spread of a different disease.
Yeah.
It's called criminality.
Criminality virus. We talked about that before.
Yeah.
We had that happen. Yeah, it's really eerie how,
It's kind of strange, man.
yeah, strange, with literally no traffic on the streets.
Man, I'm running out of time to find a girlfriend, man.
Yeah. Yeah. I'll come back to normal in about, a month or two, hopefully.
What?
The life is going to come back to normal.
In about a month?
Yeah, or two, maybe.
I don't know. I don't know. And it's so unfortunate because we have some of the most beautiful days of the year. Today was a gorgeous day.
Yeah, it's really nice. Here we got some street vendors. They're still open, selling their chicken, barbecue chicken, and all that. They've blocked off here too, so you can't get in there. There. We're just out walking today. Hi guys. Yeah, there's a few of these here, and that's my place right there.
Yeah. I gathered that.
They got the best chicken, and they know me very well too.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, so we're gonna walk down this way and walk China Bank. They got their ATM closed. Hi guys.
Alright.
We're gonna walk down this way here through the back doors of the barangay.
This is so strange.
What do you say?
This is so strange and eerie.
Yeah, it is. It's really, like I said, you know, I never thought I would be part of anything like this. You know, it's like they're preparing for war or something.
Well,
Look at that, you know, all the stalls, all the way from up here, all the way down, Marina Arcade, everything is closed. Everything is closed. And I don't see any time soon when they will get it up. Here we got some cars coming, pushing us a little bit. Yeah, we got a little store, and these stores inside the barangay right now, they are allowed to be open till 10 p.m. I think. But for most Filipinos that are suffering financially, even under normal circumstances, this is going to be a devastating situation.
oh, that smells good, whatever that is.
Yeah, it's some good barbecue here.
Looks that way.
Yeah.
Hello. At least my blister from walking so much is going to heal now because we're not going to be able to do so much walking.
Yeah, you walk what?
I do at least 10 miles a day.
10 miles a day walking, and well, you can do that here too, but you have to walk up and down inside the barangay.
Yeah.
It's just crazy. And the other thing you see here, right, is like normally people are out. They're sitting outside. They're you know, what do you call it? Socializing is the word I'm looking for. But
yeah. Well, Shell, I have a prediction.
What?
9 months from now, there's going to be a new baby boom.
Yeah, in the Philippines, it's baby
around
booming.
the world.
It's baby booming every day.
Everywhere.
Man. Yeah, and there'll be more babies born than people have suffered in this disaster here. Here we have some people sitting out. Socializing at home.
Somebody's like,
Yeah. Yeah. We're getting busy. What did you find now?
chicharron.
Chicharron.
I can eat chicharron.
Yeah. Yeah, I know my wife likes that too.
You want to get one for her?
Yeah, maybe we do. How much are they?
Laman, sir?
Huh?
The big one?
Yeah.
Each one of those, how much?
3 for 100.
3 for 100?
Yes.
3 please.
Do you need, should I buy or
No, one's for her.
All right, one for her. All right, guys.
Enjoy the quarantine.
Enjoy the quarantine. Little hole in the wall, a little sari store here too. It is a little dark here now, but I think it's okay. Yeah, $2 for. All right, so that down there is this is where I go and buy veggies and stuff.
Oh, okay.
They always bring home fresh, almost every day.
All right.
And now, as it looks like, only registered businesses are allowed to travel from here up to the main market up in Angeles and a few other places where they have some big markets. It looks like most markets, the big public markets are closed for the general public. Only businesses, and then they bring it here and put up their small little stands, and we can go out and buy there. And the good thing is I haven't seen any price gouging. You know, normally.
Well, they're probably doing more business than they've ever done before.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. I mean, who wants to go and stand in line in a group? Yeah, this is a bakery right here. It's a little bakery right here. This has been a little walk, guys, and we are almost home. So we'll see when we have the opportunity to come out again and do a little blog again. It's kind of hard. You don't know what you can do and what you can't do, and it's safer too to stay home. So thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button. At the same time, hit the bell, share, like, comment. If you have any requests, once this is over, we will come back to normal and start doing some walking blogs in neighborhoods and places to live. God bless. Bye-bye. Wait, don't click that button unless, of course, you hit the subscribe button. And then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again at the next video.